In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to search for job openings. And you'll need to search for job openings whether you're trying to fulfill the internship requirement for your program, or if you've already done an internship, then at some point you're going to be looking for entry-level employment once you graduate. You could, if you're looking for a job, just go out to Google and type in whatever search, whatever kind of career you're looking for, and we'll take a look at an example of how you might do that in just a couple of minutes. Or you could use the college's database, jobs database called Hire a Buckeye. And if Adam Cahill has not already come into our class to explain how to use Hire a Buckeye, he will be doing that so that you can take advantage of those opportunities. And then we also post job opportunities or job announcements on the department website. So if you go out to fabe.osu.edu, you'll find listed there any kind of opportunity that employers pass our way, whether it's an internship opportunity, it might even be a part-time college job, or full-time entry-level employment. You could also visit career fairs on campus, and visiting the career fair is a great way to meet face-to-face with employers who have both internship opportunities as well as entry-level opportunities, and they're looking for students to fill them. The career fairs are offered both in the fall and the spring semester, so these are great opportunities to take advantage of. The other thing that you can do is talk to friends, family, coworkers, colleagues, really anybody who you know about what your career goals are. So talk to people about what it is that you want to do and see if they have advice or ideas, or maybe even they know about opportunities that you could potentially pursue. And talking to friends, family, coworkers, and teachers, this is really the very best way to find out about job opportunities. As you know, this is called networking, and networking is one of the most important things that you can do in your professional career. Let's take a look at how you can do a Google search for a job opportunity, really just to get you started to find out what might even be out there in the first place. So I'm just going to type in construction internship, assuming that that's what you're looking for. Okay, and when you look for a construction internship, right away you'll see there's all kinds of different listings here that come up based on company website. There's Turner, here's Gilbane, the Walsh Group, and here is a job search site. So Indeed.com is kind of like Monster.com. Let's take a look at what they have listed. Okay, so they have 1 to 10 of 1,700 jobs that looks like that match this search. Okay, and here's one that looks kind of interesting, Ohio intern at Pepper Construction. Okay, and when you're finding these job opportunities online, so clearly this is an opportunity, it looks like it's in Columbus. This is an opportunity that you could potentially apply for. So I want you to pay attention to, there's usually a description of the job, and then there is usually a list of qualifications. So notice this one here says that you need to be a current student, you need to have good written and verbal communication skills, strong computer skills, the ability to work individually and part of a team, and also the ability to multitask. So these are the things that the employer is looking for in you. This is going to become very important once we start working on your resume. Okay, another way that you might search for opportunities online, let's say there's a company back home that you have always noticed, you've admired the work that they've done, and you know that you want to try to get an internship back home for the summer. And let's say that maybe you're in Lima, and so you have always looked at Tuttle Construction. So I'm just going to Google Tuttle Construction. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on their website. Okay, so here's the company's website. Now, for every single company, they usually have some place where it says employment or careers or job opportunities. So you want to take a look at that area on their website because it's going to tell you any current positions that they have open or how to apply for those jobs. Here it looks like you can submit your resume. It doesn't look like they necessarily have any specific opportunities listed, but that doesn't mean that you should assume that there is no internship. Another option that you might consider in doing an online search, let's say, for example, you know that you're interested in doing renovation work, so home renovation work. So you really want to get an internship in that area, but you're just not sure, what kinds of companies there are out there. Again, if you just go out to Google and you can just type in home renovation, and then I'll just say Columbus, Ohio, since that's our location. And clearly this is going to give you a list of companies or a list of potential employers that you could take a look at. So again, if you click on a company's website, they may or may not have information about job opportunities. But even if they don't have information about job opportunities, we have had several students who will approach a company like this, contact them and say, I'm a student at Ohio State University in the construction management program, and I'm really interested in potentially doing an internship. Would you consider hiring an intern? So you can have some success that way as well. So really what I want you to do is think about finding an opportunity that matches your interests as opposed to something that's just posted out there, and fulfilling the assignment for the class. So your assignment is to find a job opening that you would really apply for. So something that actually meets your career goals, not something that fulfills the assignment, but something that will help you to get to the next level in your career. So considering that, I have a final word. So what I mean by that is do not come to class with this kind of an opening that is for a project manager, which requires 7 years of experience as a project manager with experience in the petrochemical industry, experience using matrix management organization. If you do not have that experience, you should be looking for either internship opportunities or entry-level opportunities, and this will not meet the assignment requirements. Okay, so that's it. As you're working on this assignment, let me know if you have questions. I will expect that you will have some kind of job opening by the time I see you in class again, either on Wednesday or Thursday. Take care.